If you want to remove a Google account from the Google Play Store on your Android device, follow the simple steps to learn how to do so. Deleting your Google account will also remove the access to Play Store and other Google services associated with that account. Alright, let's begin. So locate the Settings app on your device and tap on it. Scroll till you find Accounts or Password on Account or User Account option. The word may vary depending on your device, whichever, you just tap on it to open it, and you can see a list of accounts registered on your device. Now find the Google account you wish to remove or delete from your device. You just tap on it to open it, and this will open the account sync setting as you can see on the screen. Now click on remove account option below. You can confirm your action when prompted. Click on remove account again. You might also be asked to enter your device password or PIN for security confirmation to confirm you are the one taking this action. So once it's confirmed, the selected account will be removed from your device. Additionally, guys, it is important to know that deleting the Google account will also remove all data associated with the account from your device. It includes your emails, contacts, calendars, entries, and the rest. So you can also re-add your Google account later if you decide to return to it. And this is it, guys. You have successfully removed your Google account from the Google Play Store and your Android device. If you need any further assistance with anything, either including Android, the Play Store, or social media, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you guys. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye and see you in the next video.